How to become a web front-end developer in 2024? This is the Beginner's Bootcamp, and here I will take you by the hand from zero to hero. So let's dive right into it. By the way, this is just a sample of what you will get on my course on Udemy, Become a Web Front-End Developer 2024 Beginner's Bootcamp. If you want to have the full version, head to my description link. File paths. To make files talk to one another, you have to provide a file path between them. Basically a route, so one file knows where another one is. To demonstrate this, we will insert a little bit of HTML into our index.html file and make it display the image you choose. You can use an existing image at your disposal on your computer or from the web and use it in the following steps. First, copy the image you choose earlier into your image folder. Open up your index.html file. Insert the following code into the file exactly as shown. And don't worry about what all it means for now, it's not important. We'll look at the structure in more detail later in the series. So let's type this code. The line emg source alt my test page or my test image. It's the HTML code that inserts an image into the page. We need to tell the HTML where the image is. The image is inside the images directory, which is in the same directory as index.html. To walk down the file structure from index.html to another image, the file path we need is images / your image file name. For example, it's called. So the file path is images name.png or JPEG. Insert the file path into your HTML code between the double quotes marked as src, which means source. Then save your HTML file, then load it into your browser. You should see your new web page displaying the image. Now, some general rules for file path. To link to a target file in the same directory as the invoking HTML file, just use the file name. To reference a file in a subdirectory, write the directory name in front of the path plus /. And to link to a target file in the directory above the invoking HTML file, write 2 dots. So for example, if index.html was inside a subfolder of test site and my images JPEG was inside the test site, you could reference my image JPEG from index.html using my image.jpg. You can combine this as more as you like. For example, subdirectory, another subdirectory, and then my image.jpg. For now, this is about all you need to know. Ready to transform from a complete beginner to a skilled web developer? Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide and become a web developer in 2023. My course on Udemy is your passport to mastering web development with ease. Designed especially for beginners, this course covers the essential pillars from HTML, PHP, JavaScript introduction, Angular, and the real roadmap you need in 2023 to become a web developer. But that's not all. What sets this course apart is the inclusion of the FB system. What is the FB system? It's a full bootcamp in 7 steps. This system is your guide to understanding, memorizing, and implementing the code effectively. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to confidence as you navigate all the complexity of web development. Moreover, this course isn't just about learning, it's about becoming career ready or job ready. Equip yourself with sought-after skills in PHP for dynamic web applications. Learn to implement crucial user authentication, making your projects not just functional but job ready. And by the end of this course, you won't just be fluent in web development languages, you'll be equipped with secure opportunities in the field of web development. Increase the chances of being hired and step confidently into the world of web development. So don't miss out on this transformative journey. Enroll now, the ultimate beginner's guide in 2022. Become a web developer in 2023. So don't waste more time. Click on the link on the description and enroll right now.